In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to access display. Then you can tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. If you wish to, you can also go into Tap menu and click on those three dots located on brightness slider. Then tap on this switcher to turn on or off adaptive brightness, but this time save your changes by hitting done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!